more games, more Luigi, more service. Nintendo Switch Line. Allow us to introduce 5 Luigi included with your ship. Remember,
you're fantastic!
Of course, you can play service games together online, even when you're online. Compete against Luigi. Compete against players. The world is on. Or team up for classic games. There are so many ways to get lost in the game. So find your favorites and take them online. You can even play classic games anytime, where on Nintendo Square. Get lost in the gameplay, whether you're the monster or the little boss. For multiplayer games, each player can grab 5 Joy-Con controllers. Classic games can also be played, as they say. Playing together long distance makes the heart distant. Look forward to a growing library of games. Luigi knows Luigi can cause your precious save data to disappear. But help is on the way. With Nintendo Switch Online, game save data is automatically backed up in the cloud. Even if your console breaks, your save data will be safe from Luigi. Nintendo Switch Online also connects with the smartphone app. With this app, you can voice chat with games while playing certain friends.
You serious?
Backseat players can also join backseat players. That way everyone's having fun. The service even has the ability to service so receive special information. What are they? Check Nintendo.com for more offers. More games, more features, more fun. Nintendo Luigi Online. Think if your family has 2 or more accounts, you can save some more accounts with the family membership.